Zavardi Official. Click here to subscribe. Hey guys, for today's video, another unboxing video here on Zavardi Official. And it's the Hanabishi induction cooker. Let's start. This electric cooker cost 1,569 pesos. This Hanabishi electric cooker comes with a free stainless pot. And it has a product dimension of 22 by 34 by 40 centimeters. It has 80% more cooking efficiency with LED display and overheat auto cut-off. Also comes with high-quality ceramic plate with manual cooking button and has adjustable power level with 1900 watts. Power on-off button. It has 5 cooking functions: debrace, soak, boil, fry, and hot pot. And it has a manual cooking power level from 120 watts to 1900 watts. So to use this induction cooker, just simply press the power on. You can easily switch the cooking function at any time. And I'm showing you here how fast the water boils. And as I touch the surface is not hot and safe. After a minute, water starts to boil, so fast and less electricity consumed. Having this induction cooker can speed up meal preparation, easy to clean, simple temperature control, energy efficiency, and less likely to start a fire. So remember, choose to acquire an induction cooker with the best kitchen appliances in the Philippines. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!